Hello everyone, welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. My name is Raviteja. Hello friends, today we are in the second topic of JavaScript, data types and variables. So, if you are watching our videos for the first time, first cover all the previous topics related to HTML and JavaScript first topic, then come to our second topic, data types and variables. So if you not subscribe our channel as of now, just pause this video and click the subscribe button and right swipe, select all options from the option menu. Then only if I make any new video, that video will jump into your notifications. Friends, along with YouTube videos, Accessible World tutorials, started Accessible Data Testing course, as well as short-term courses like how to access Gmail and browsing internet or trading in stock market. Like that, we have started many short-term courses. If you are interested to join in any course, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me on 7731879173. 7731879173. Okay, now let's move to our second topic, data types and variables. So, data types. Data types are total two types. Okay, there are two types of there are two data types. One is primitive and second one is non-primitive data types. Okay, there are two types of data types. One is primitive and non-primitive. So under primitive data types, there are 6 categories. Okay, and first one is integer, integer. Okay, so integer will display the numbers. Okay, what integer will do? Integer will display the numbers. For example, if you want to show the age of person, so the age is integer, right? That is the number, right? So the integer will display the number. So there is a limitation for integer. Only it can display up to 4 bytes. So how many characters into 4 bytes? 4 bytes are is equal to 32 characters. Okay, 32 bits is equal to 32 bits is equal to 4 bytes, right? So the integer can display only up to 32 bits. It means 4 bytes. So now, if you want to add longer number than 32 bit, okay. So we have a second one called long. Okay, the second one is long. First one is integer. Second one is long. So long means it is the double of integer. So it can display up to 64. Okay, it can display up to 64 bit. Okay, so it means the long can display up to 8 bytes is equal to 64 bits. So this is the difference between 32 bit and 64 bit. Okay, 32 bit means it can support up to 4 bytes. Okay, and the 64 bit can support up to and 64 bits. Okay, so 64 numbers, I think we will not use the 64 numbers. Okay, we will use up to million, billions. Okay, but we will not cross more than that. But if anybody using computer, if they are preparing computers, if you are writing binary, so they will use these numbers. Okay, so the third one is float. So what is float? Float means it will display the actual number. It means 24.5, 56.5.8, like that. Okay, so it is also a limitation. It is also will support only 4 bytes is equal to 32 bits. Okay, only it will recognize up to 32 numbers only. Okay, it can display up to 32 numbers if you use float. Okay, so it means 4.5.1.10 point something like that, 32 bits. Okay, so there is one more data type, that is double. Okay, so the double will support up to 64 bits. Same like float, the double also will display the 32.5.6 point like that. It can display up to 64 numbers. Okay, that is the fourth one. Then the fifth one is boolean. Boolean will display only true or false. Okay, to show that it is a true or false, we will use boolean. So your system has do you want to restart your system? True. You want to restart your system? False. Like that. Okay, it can display only true or false. The sixth one is character. Sorry, the fifth one is character. Okay, integer, long, float, double, and the fifth one is boolean, and the sixth one is character. The character can display only one character, either A, B, C, D, E, F, any one character it can display. Okay, these are all 6 type of primitive data types. Okay, these are all 6 types of primitive data types. Okay, and we have one more data type called non-primitive data type. Okay, so in the non-primitive data type, we will discuss only one thing right now, that is string. String means to display the collection of characters, we will use string. In the primitive data type, we have a data type called character, right? So character can display only one character, but the string can display multiple characters. We can combine multiple characters into single word, single paragraph, single line, anything. Okay. For that, we will use string. I hope you clearly understand the data types, right? There are 2 types of data types. One is primitive, non-primitive. Primitive data types contain integer, long, float, double, boolean, character, and the non-primitive is contain string. Okay, there are many, but we are currently discussing string. Okay, now we will go to practical. Okay, practically we will create few variables. Okay, so I will explain in the practical what is variable. Okay, I'm opening NVDA.
Speech mode deep. Speech mode talk. Run dialog. Open OTEPAD. Tech desktop list. Notepad. System sub star default.txt. Text editor document blank. Paste. Less doc type H.
Okay, the basic code I have pasted here because for typing the basic code it will take long time. Anyway, you are familiar with HTML now. If you are not familiar, you can watch our previous topics related to HTML. So friends, this notepad file you will get in my WhatsApp group. So you can download the you can join in WhatsApp group by I have provided the number, right, 7731879173. And also I am providing the WhatsApp group link in the comment section. You can directly join from there. You can get this practical file in the WhatsApp group.
Less doc type, less HTML greater, less head greater, less title greater variables, less slash title greater, less meta charcity, less meta name, less slash head greater, less body greater, less H1 greater variables, less slash H1 greater, character return.
Okay. Now we will create a variable. So what is variable? Variable means to display any name or any age, okay, in the string, that is called variables. So to create variables, we have a tags called var, const, let. Okay, let, var, const. Using these variables, we can display the data. Okay, so the data types like const, let, var. Okay, so now we are using const and let. Okay, okay, now I will write
less H1 greater variables, less slash H1 greater, blank.
So below this heading I'm creating one paragraph.
Less p space I d id equals quote left 1 left bracket quote character return p1 quote greater less slash p greater less p it equals quote p1 quote greater less slash p greater blank.
Okay, here I have just created one ID. Less p space ID is equal to quotation p1 quotation close and greater than less p greater. Okay, so this is in this paragraph we are displaying the name and age. Okay, name or age, anything.
Blank less p it equals blank.
So now we will start the JavaScript code. For that, I am opening a JavaScript syntax.
Less script script greater.
Less script greater. 3 times enter.
Less slash script script greater
Less script greater.
less script greater blank.
So here I'm writing the code. So first I will write const
const space
space const. Const means the value will not change. Okay, the variable value will doesn't change, because if you are using const means consistent. Okay, it will not change at all. Okay.
space carriage return name
Name is
name space equals quote space quote
Raviteja.
Raviteja Raviteja quote semi
Semicolon.
const name equals quote Raviteja quote semi blank.
Okay. So the Raviteja is a what? Raviteja is a string. Okay. That's why if you are writing any string value, you need to write inside the quotations. Okay, double quotations.
Const name equals quote Rav
C.
name equals quote space quote Raviteja quote semi
Semicolon.
blank.
Semicolon means our
Carriage
line has
return.
been completed. Okay. And second one, let
let space
number
number number space equals space
is equal to, so number is the integer. Okay. Of course, number is the integer. So we no need to use the quotation symbols here. Okay, for numbers, for integers, we no need to use the quotation mark. So it is a mobile number, right? So I'm writing my mobile number.
77318791173.
So this is my number.
7,731,879,173 semi.
Okay, if you want, if you would like to contact me on WhatsApp, you can contact on this number. Okay, and now I'm writing
let space space equals space
age is equals to
33
that is it.
33 semi.
Okay, so I have written 3 lines here. Okay,
let number equals 7 const name equals quote Raviteja quote semi.
const name is equal to Raviteja.
Let number equals 7,731,879,173 semi. Let age equals 33 semi blank.
Okay, now if I want to display the name, okay, if I want to display the name, so what I need to do here, I need to write
document
document dot get element
y I d get element by it left parent
left parent
quote
quotation open p1
p1 quote
quotation close. Okay, okay, so as of now you understand, right?
right parent.
Already we have discussed this topic in first topic, how to display the how to change the value of p tag. Okay,
Let a document dot get element by it left parent quote p1 quote right parent carriage return
dot
dot inner
inner in small letters,
html
html in capital letters.
inner
Okay,
html space equals
because
space.
so if I want to display the name, simply I need to write name here, the variable name. What is the variable name here? There are 3 variables. One is name, second one is number, and third one is age. So if I want to write the name, simply I need, if I want to display the name, simply I need to write name here.
name
Name. Okay.
name semi.
Semicolon. I'm saving this file.
Save as dialog file name colon combo box.
Okay. I will save this in file name with topic 2.
Select OPIC topic space 2 space VARIABLES variables dot html topic 2 variables dot html.
The same file you will get in Notepad in our WhatsApp group. Okay. I'm running this file.
Run dialog text new volume left parent right parent items view list accessible books 2 of 7 n Nithin line html t topic 2 variables 50 copy nation delete pop-up window open o enter open with pop micro Google Chrome item variables dash Nithin variables dash Google Chrome toolbar file address insert file reload button
Okay.
variables heading Raviteja heading level 1 variables Raviteja
Here it came Raviteja. So if I change the value to
Nithin line h new volume left topic 2 variables dot a topic 2 semi name.
So here I will replace the name with
let a document dot get element by id left parent quote p1 quote right parent dot inner html equals name semi.
So here I will replace name with number.
Character semi name space n select m select e selected number variable Nithin line html Top variables dash Google Chrome variables 7,731 heading level 1 variables 7,731,879,000.
The number came. Okay, so just I have replaced the name with number. Okay, so like this way you can able to create the variables and you can run the variables. So thanks for watching my video. If you are having any doubts, you can simply ask me in our WhatsApp group, and you can personally ping me if you are having any doubts. And if you want to learn HTML, you can ask me. Even we are providing the HTML courses for short term, like 7 days courses. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Myth and line H topic 2 very new volume left screen sharing meeting screen.